On this vote, the yeas are 316, the nays are 90. The motion is adopted.
The House of Representatives approved a bill Friday to fund disaster relief, raise the debt ceiling, and keep the government open until mid-December. President Donald Trump and congressional Democrats struck a deal earlier this week to tackle all three things in one big package. It includes more than $15 billion in disaster aid relief for Hurricanes Harvey and Irma. The package provides enough funds to avoid a government shutdown when the new fiscal year begins October 1st. That money will keep government agencies running through December 8th. Trump's agreement with Democrats also increases the federal borrowing limit through December 8th, and that lets the country keep paying its bills. The Senate approved the measure Thursday. The bill now heads to the White House for Trump's signature.